Okay, fit please. Hi, good morning guys. Today I'm having a very hard time getting started off with my day. अभी कुछ 8:30 बजे हैं and मैं कल ही वापस आई हूँ एक ट्रिप के बाद. So although the trip itself was very nice, it was just a 3-day trip और 3 day की ट्रिप में आप सोच रहे होंगे इतनी exhaustion तो होते भी नहीं है जितने मेरे चेहरे पे दिख रही है अभी. But the reason for that is it was a very long drive to and fro, 7 घंटे. और कल आते आते तो मैं ऋषिकेश गई थी बेसिकली. और कल रात को आते आते ऋषिकेश से मुझे 9-10 घंटे लग गए. आई रीच बैक एट 10 PM और उसके बाद जाके मैंने डिनर खाया और मैं 12 बजे सोई हूँ. आई हैड टू इनफैक्ट ऑर्डर इन, आई हैड टू कॉल स्विगी, उसमें और ज़्यादा टाइम लग गया. तो ओवरऑल इट वॉज अ वेरी एग्जॉस्टिंग ट्रिप, टू एंड फ्रो जर्नी. एंड उसके बाद से आज सुबह जब मैं उठी, I feel like I have zero energy. I have no energy to get started with my day, but I want to make the most of it anyway. And मैंने ये realize किया है कि जब भी आप ऐसे condition में हो, when you have no energy to get started with your day, the best thing to do is that you just make a list of everything that you need to get done and then keep checking it off one moment at a time, मतलब एक एक करके, ताकि you can have some energy. And हाँ, मैंने ये भी realize किया कि travel करके आने के बाद अगर आपको अपनी life को restart करना है, because obviously you will feel some travel blues and all. If you want to get restarted with your life and routine, just jump into your routine, jump back as soon as possible, because that will help you and prepare you for the rest of the week. And also in my case, because I travel often, मतलब बहुत टाइम से नहीं कर रही थी, 9 महीने से मैं ट्रैवल नहीं कर रही थी because of the pandemic, but because I travel often, जो मेरे ट्रैवल्स के बीच का in between टाइम होता है वो बहुत crucial होता है for editing, for getting into a routine, for exercising. मैंने इतना खाना खाया है. I was staying at the Roseate in Rishikesh, and the food there was just so freaking good. I am not even kidding. And I really pampered myself, with proper bathrobes, good hotel vibes, and baths inside a bathtub. Also, good food. I did not hold back at all, and I ate a lot of cake. I ate a lot of sweets. I ate everything that was on the menu practically. Not really, that's not possible, but that's not humanly possible. But yeah, I ate a lot. So I really need to exercise also. So I've made a list of what all I have to get done. So the first thing on my list is unpacking. So मेरा सूटकेस यहाँ पे खुला हुआ पड़ा है because I have to start unpacking. And मैंने ये realize किया है कि अगर मैं travel करने वाली हूँ बहुत ही जल्द, so it's better that I get started and unpack ASAP, because I have to prepare for the next trip in 7 days. And if I don't get this out of the way, ये सूटकेस यहाँ पड़ा रहने वाला है, मुझे पूरा यकीन है. Also in between all of these chores, I'm going to keep drinking a lot of water because I'm so freaking tired. I'm not even kidding. मेरे अंदर बहुत ही कम energy है. I don't know why is this happening. मेरी energy levels आज इतने low क्यों हैं? Am I not eating the right kind of food to keep myself fueled, or what is it? Am I not eating enough veggies? But these days I'm feeling more tired than usual, and I have to admit travel vlogging is not easy in the sense कि आपको बहुत ही energetic रहना पड़ता है पूरी trip में. You have to wake up on time, you have to get things done, you have to click and shoot everything, and shooting everything means that shooting it from multiple angles, and you really have to keep your energy levels high at all times, because otherwise you won't get the right kind of footage that you need. You have the option of vegetating in your hotel room the whole day, but then you do want to shoot some content also, and also make the whole trip worth it for yourself. You want to explore more, you want to document it in a way that it looks nice on YouTube, and you can share your experience in the best way possible with your audience. So all of these things require a lot of energy at all times on your part, and I think because of that also I end up getting more exhausted after a trip. But I think I'm not even eating enough veggies. Maybe just give it a sense. Maybe I should consult a doctor about my diet. But nevertheless, I am trying to bounce back as much as is possible. We are going to get all our tasks out of the way. So I'm done with all of my unpacking, and it honestly, with all my concentrated effort, did not take more than half an hour, which is a great thing. तो अगर आप भी ऐसे किसी situation में हैं that you want to bounce back into your work day after a busy day or after traveling, then get done with the most mindless task and get it out of the way so that you feel energized to do more important things. मेरे पास ऐसी एक और भी task है which is cleaning my house and watering my plants. Thankfully my plants are doing fine after a 3-day gap also, and I just watered some of the plants that were looking like they needed water immediately, जिसकी soil थोड़ी सी गीली नहीं थी, सूख गई थी, तो मैंने वो already कल रात को ही कर दिया था. So I will get down to cleaning the house and watering my plants later, but first I want to get some more important tasks done क्योंकि अभी मैं already थोड़ी ऐसे काम करने के मोड में आ चुकी हूँ irrespective of all the tiredness. Also fortunately दीदी आ गई हैं जो खाना पकाती है मेरे घर पे, so I at least have breakfast and lunch sorted. So over here some sorting of veggies is going on क्योंकि अभी order की थी vegetables. Also ideally I would have liked to go to the grocery store and order it because ये बहुत सारे प्लास्टिक के साथ आती हैं, but क्योंकि मैं कल ही आई हूँ इसलिए सारी grocery स्विगी से आई है, and I'm eating some omelette for breakfast. Alright, breakfast is ready. I'm eating a 3-egg omelette with 1 toast. थोड़े से portions control करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ मैं क्योंकि I've been eating so much. इसके बाद काम शुरू करेंगे. मैंने थोड़ी सी laundry भी डाल दी क्योंकि मुझे लगा I need some hot clothes, hot नहीं warm clothes जो dirty थे. Although that wasn't on my agenda today. Yeah, my appetite is so big. Trying to downsize the portion of my breakfast is really not working. I can easily destroy 3 courses of food and dessert also, but I really want to detox from my travels. इसलिए trying to eat a little controlled way में, और इसलिए मैं अभी थोड़ा सा एक orange उठा रही हूँ फ्रिज से ताकि मैं इतना ज़्यादा खाना ना खाऊँ. Also, I think I'll make some coffee before I sit to work. So, coffee machine is right there, and I also have a new pack of coffee over here. ये वाला, ये बनाएंगे अभी हम. I was trying really hard to not drop coffee, but थोड़ी सी shoot करते करते गिर ही गई फिर भी. Also, I'm trying to operate with my left hand. That's not such a smart move. Coffee is also ready और मेरा lunch is also ready. ये है lunch हमारा आज का. I'm eating some Thai curry, which is made using this paste from Yum Yum Cha. काफ़ी अच्छी पेस्ट है यार. It's very delicious. It's red Thai curry paste. All right, work desk is all set for starting work. Pani, coffee, some fruit, phone, desktop itself. And check this out. I recently participated in a TEDx event and उसमें मुझे एक trophy मिली, and I also got this really nice painting which is apparently my caricature. Looks really nice because it also has blue hair. After that extensive morning routine जिसमें मैंने बहुत सारी chores की हैं, for me somehow I feel like it's very easy to get carried away and keep doing like those tasks only which do not involve a lot of thinking and a lot of effort in terms of harder jobs and work which is my actual work. But then मैं बहुत difficulty से अपने आप को बोलती हूँ कि let's draw a line over here and get more important things done as well. In fact, let's get them done before I get into more of these chores of cleaning the house and planting, watering plants, etc, etc. And let's let Didi do her job because I also tend to micromanage a lot sometimes. So yeah, I'm going to draw a line over here immediately because it's the start of a working hour and working day, and get to my actual work. Starting off with, which was something not on my list earlier, but I have to start sorting the footage also from my travels. So, मेरी सुबह से काफ़ी सारी tasks ख़त्म हो गई हैं, which I'm feeling very good about. All the basic simple to-do tasks are done. Also, I got on a couple calls. 4 बजे मेरी एक और कॉल है मेरी टीम के साथ because we are working remotely. And मैंने यहाँ पे कपड़े भी सुखाने डाल दिए जो गर्म कपड़े मैंने धोने डाले थे. And I am now left with a major chunk of my task, which is editing a video. मैं एक EBC की वीडियो एडिट कर रही हूँ हमारे मेन चैनल के लिए, which is a travel video. And मैंने अपने आप को incentivize किया है काम करने के लिए कि I'm going to open this package once I'm done with at least 1.5 hours, which is 90 minutes of concentrated work. I may take a break or 2 in between, मतलब ऐसी थोड़ी सी walking break क्योंकि sitting for so long is not healthy. But majorly, I will sit for at least 90 minutes and finish a major chunk of editing with full attention. And after that, I am going to unpack this box, unbox it. ये वो lights हैं जो balcony transformation में use होनी थी over the top. These are cafe lights, and I'm pretty sure you're excited about seeing how they're going to look on the balcony. So I'm going to put them up, considering that I finished my task. Okay, now I'm on the clock, so I can't afford to waste any more time. is it so hard to do your actual work and tasks on some days? And why do you feel so tired of sitting all the time? अभी भी 21 मिनट बचे हैं टाइमर पे, 21 मिनट 48 seconds, and I'm so freaking tired of sitting and editing. That may have also been because of the reason कि मैं कल 7 hours, in fact no, I think 10 hours I was inside a vehicle on the road sitting continuously, which is why I'm so tired of sitting today. But it's extremely difficult to get work done today. But I'm going to finish these rest of 21 minutes and 48 seconds anyway. I have a lot of videos of me jumping into water, after which I'm literally howling. हाँ ठीक है, that's a good idea. ऐसा कुछ करते हैं. ठीक है, कुछ ऐसा कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, so who will take a call on what kind of a reel goes out? I'll share the footage with Ashish. Ashish, maybe you can put it together and then share it with all of us कि कैसे लग रही है. So I'm quite proud of myself that I sat and worked for such a long duration, and the timer trick really did the job. So now I'm going to unbox this package and see what kind of lights did we get all the way from the US. And at the same time, I also want to set some pani for making chai. पता नहीं बहुत ठंडे यार. Alright, there we go, cutting into the package. कैसे खोलूँ भाई एक हाथ से ये? Oh my goodness, look at how this is packed. इसके पीछे है सारी लाइट के कॉर्ड्स और यहाँ पे है सारे बल्ब्स जो अभी पैक्ड हैं. I don't know how should I remove these bulbs from this packaging. धीरे धीरे without breaking them, I will have to open these up. Meanwhile in my chai I've added some adrak and I'm also adding some cinnamon and elaichi. Cinnamon ऐड कर दी है, थोड़ी सी इलायची डालती हूँ. वैसे बहुत ज़्यादा तो नहीं डालनी चाहिए, but I'm actually making it in excess quantity because I want to have a lot of chai today for working and for decorating and for I don't know what all. ये इलायची मैं I'm just getting lazy, इसलिए मैंने खोली नहीं है, otherwise मैं usually कूटती हूँ इसे. And surprisingly 3 दिन की ट्रिप के बाद भी मेरा दूध ठीक है. I wasn't expecting it. So in it goes into the chai. Let's add some doodh. I usually don't add a lot of milk. Today just feeling like finishing this carton. Oh, अभी बहुत सारा बचा है इसके अंदर तो. Ooh. Wow. Came in this kind of a packaging. I think we also have 2 extra bulbs over here in case something breaks, but यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे bulbs हैं. This looks good. We have a step down converter, step up converter sorry, क्योंकि ये 110 volts पे operate करता है and we want to make it operate at 1 to 20 volts. Let's turn this on and see how our lights behave. Okay, fit please. Doesn't matter how nice this product looked on Amazon. Looks like इसका एक bulb fuse हो चुका है, so this is kind of a fail, a little bit of a fail. But you know what? I am going to try and change that one bulb क्योंकि मेरे पास 2 extra bulbs भी आए हैं इस package में, and try this again tomorrow. But I'm too afraid of trying this at night alone right now. So this goes to the side. But आज की क्योंकि बहुत सारे काम हो गए हैं, I'm also treating myself to some other things for dinner. These are Rati's homemade tomato chutney and fiddlehead fern pickle. मैंने एक बार order किए थे because I really like them. Because I really like the sound of having mountain sourced and homemade stuff coming from the mountains. This is a brand which is based in Manali. मैंने इन्हें Ronnie and Barty के vlog पे देखा था. So I thought of ordering it and I really liked it. So now I'm going to try them out. मैंने already ये try कर लिया. Tomato chutney I'm going to try for the first time. This is my second time ordering it. So yeah, dinner time, and after that I'll wind up some more work and also this vlog. So for dinner today I'm having some aloo beans, some roti, some dal. I know this is a lot of food, and also some of my leftover chai जो मैंने 2 cup बनाए थे चाय के without any sugar, so at least some saving grace there. And I'm very excited about trying my tomato chutney. ये वाला चाय तो मैं पहले try कर चुकी हूँ जो बहुत ही अच्छा है, और साथ में हम देखेंगे थोड़ा सा TV. पैकेजिंग कितनी अच्छी है यार. वेरी नाइस पैकेजिंग। पहले ये टेस्ट करके मैं आपको बता ही देती हूँ कि कैसा है टमेटो चटनी। काफ़ी थिक कंसिस्टेंसी है इसकी। वेरी नाइस चटनी, लेकिन ये स्वीट है, सो दैट मीन्स इसे प्रिजर्व करने के लिए इसमें शुगर डाला होगा ज़रूर। बट नेवरदलेस इट्स वेरी टेस्टी। आई थिंक आई हैव दिस वेरी स्पेयरिंगली, क्योंकि मैं चीनी कम से कम खाने की कोशिश करती हूँ। But with this, with my dinner and over my TV time, I'll close this vlog and I'll see you next time in another video. आप मुझे बताएं your strategies of how you bounce back after a travel, after a series of travel, or after having a very difficult day, या फिर when you're extremely tired to get work done, how do you do it? And with this, I'll see you next time. And yeah, let me know your suggestions in the comment section and do hit the subscribe button. Bye bye guys.